Welcome to EASZ Tech Library. In a world where knowledge is power, finding the right resources can be a challenge. With so many options out there, how do you know which one to choose? Cut to footage of EASZ Tech Library. Well, look no further than EASZ Tech Library. Our channel is your go-to destination for a wide range of informative and engaging videos. From business ideas to how-to guides, teaching tutorials, Islamic lectures, Quran recitation, and much more, we've got you covered. Our videos are carefully crafted to provide you with practical insights, actionable tips, and inspiring stories that can motivate you to take action and make a positive difference in your life. Celebrating Eid Al Fitr in Dubai. Eid Al Fitr is a joyous occasion for all, and nowhere is it celebrated quite like in Dubai. From magnificent fireworks displays to celebrity performances, there's something for everyone during this festive time. Dubai's iconic skyline is the perfect backdrop for a dazzling fireworks display. Whether you're watching from the comfort of your hotel room or from one of the city's many viewing areas, you won't want to miss this unforgettable spectacle. Dubai is known for its world-class entertainment, and Eid Al Fitr is no exception. From concerts by international superstars to performances by local talent, there's always something happening in Dubai during the Eid celebrations. The Eid celebrations are also a great time to shop, with plenty of promotions and discounts available throughout the city. Whether you're looking for traditional clothing, gifts for loved ones, or just something for yourself, you'll find it all in Dubai. Of course, Eid Al Fitr is also a time for family and friends to come together. Dubai offers plenty of family-friendly activities, from theme parks to water parks to cultural attractions. No matter what you're looking for, you're sure to find it in this vibrant and exciting city. So come celebrate Eid Al Fitr in Dubai, and experience all the fun, festivities, and family time this wonderful occasion has to offer. Thank you for joining the team of EASZ Tech